Hi everyone, AuntDi here, and we have another mystery box reveal. Like I said, I've decided from now on I'm going to try to do live reveals for the mystery boxes just to make it a little better for you guys. Let's move this back just a little bit, trying to hide the mess of my craft room at the same time. This mystery box is called MirrorBall Joy. So let's open her up and see what is inside. I use my True Control blade or X-Acto knife from Cricut. I just love this thing. So let's rip her open. First thing we get is a ton of paper. Holy moly, there's a lot of stuff inside here. So the first thing you're going to get is Smart Vinyl Permanent, and that is in a silver. It is 5.5 inches wide by 120 inches long. So that's quite a big roll. Then you're also going to get the Cricut Joy Smart Label. This stuff is actually pretty cool. It is paper, it is dissolvable. So I think we're going to be playing around with that shortly. We do have the Cricut Cutie, but we're going to put him aside so we can see what is actually in this other box. So let's move this box. And let's get this box open. So many boxes. Let's get her opened up and see what she reveals. And it's more paper. And it is a lot of items, as you can see. So you're getting a Cricut Joy Smart Vinyl Permanent in gold. We have Smart Iron-On in Bloom Pink. Ooh, that's pretty. Definitely going to be using that. We have a Smart Iron-On in Nature Walk Basic. Now that is really cool. Definitely got to figure out something to do with that. Now look at everything that's inside this box. You're getting 10 feet of removable vinyl, smart vinyl at that. In, let's say the exact color. I'd say blue, but it's called Vivid Blue. You're getting Smart Vinyl Permanent Removable. Remember, this is all for the Cricut Joy. I love that they now do the Cricut Joy giveaway. Mystery boxes. This is threads. These are really cool. I've done these on my car. Use the threads vinyl. Holds up wonderful. You've got Smart Vinyl Permanent in a pink. Let's see what's the exact color. Is a light pink. Then you also are getting in Glitter Aqua Blue. Ooh, that's really pretty. Smart Iron-On. I don't know, can you see that glitter? That's really pretty. Then we're doing another Smart Iron-On. That's actually a pretty cool color. In Carrot. So that's a really neat color. And then last but not least, we have a Smart Vinyl Permanent. And this is in Crystal Party Pink. Ooh, we know I love my pink, so definitely going to be making something with that. Now, let's get to the cutie inside the box. We'll get him opened up and see. This is Cricut Cutie Lemonade. Look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? So hurry, guys. Use my link you find below. We will talk soon when I make something with the items in this box. Take care.